Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Cook Like a Japanese channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tonteki pork steak Japanese style. Tonteki is one of the most popular homemade cooking here in Japan, and to make it is super easy and it's so tasty. So why don't we try? Let's get started! Yeah, the ingredients for Tonteki is only two. One is of course pork. We usually use thick sliced pork compared to the thin one that we often use for pork shogayaki or those kind of stuff. It's pretty thick, isn't it? Can you see that? And the other one is garlic. It's up to you how many you use, but I use 2 this time. Yeah, to make Tonteki, we have 4 steps. Step 1 is make the sauce with mirin, soy sauce, ketchup, okonomiyaki sauce. Step 2 is to prepare the pork. Make some cuts there and put some salt and sugar on and slice the garlic. Step 3 is to heat the ingredients in the pan. Garlic first and then put it out, set aside until used for topping. And then stir fry the pork both sides well, and go on to step 4. Step 4 is to pour the sauce in and plate it and garlic on. It's really easy. Let's go on to step 1. Alright, step 1. 1 tablespoon of mirin plus 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of okonomiyaki sauce. If you don't have okonomiyaki sauce, you can use oyster sauce instead. Then you need a little bit of sugar as well. Yeah, the last one is ketchup for 1 tablespoon. Really easy, isn't it? Mix it well. We go on to step 2. The first thing you do is to cut garlic. Nicely cut. Yeah, it's done. Alright, go on to the preparation for the pork. This part, cut it like squid legs. Making squid leg there. Same thing to the other one. Right, it's done. Then you need to season it with chili pepper. Both sides. So why don't we go on to step 3? Stir fry the ingredients in the pan. Place the board. First thing you stir fry is garlic. Easy to be overcooked, careful with that. Flipping over little things with cyber chopsticks is really hard. Yeah, I guess average went brown, so that's enough. Okay, next thing you stir fry is pork. High heat is right. but flip it over. Just kind of fun. Another 2 minutes has passed, so flip it over again. Then go step 4. Pull it out. I'll put it down. Yeah, it's done. But only break it. Looks cool. Wow. Yeah. And the garlic. Garlic and sauce. So now Tonteki, pork steak Japanese style, is now ready to eat. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, Tonteki, pork steak Japanese style, is really easy to make and so tasty. So why don't you try making it at home? Okay, I'll be glad if you put some thumbs up button and subscribe and leave the message down below. Thank you for watching. Arigato. Take good care. See you soon. Bye.